Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to play Clash of Clans on PC and laptop. So all you gotta do, everybody, is open up your favorite browser and follow me. So then you will need to go to your search bar right here, or even by using the Google search bar, and after that just type right there install Google Play games on PC. Right, so as you can see, this is the platform that we want to get it. So just go and click on it, and right here everybody go with download beta, and then look at it anywhere you like. So for me, I will put it on the desktop. After that, just go ahead, launch it, right, and the installing will begin. So that's it everybody. Well, just need to wait a bit, and then just go and click on install. Then yes, and you will need to wait to finish the downloading. And after it's downloaded, just go ahead and sign in with your Google account. So click on the Google account and choose your account. Right, so for me, I will go with that one. Then I will just click on sign in. Then I will go with looks good, accept, finish. Right, and as you can see, I'm already on the app. So actually guys, after that you will need to click on the explore icon and the left hand menu, and after that just look for Clash of Clans. Right, so this is the game Clash of Clans. Just click on it and then install it. Then go with add. You will need to wait a bit to complete the downloading. Right, so then just go and click on play. After that, the game will be launched, so you will need to scroll a bit, then just go with continue. Then go with continue again, and that's it. Now you can play the Clash of Clans game on your PC or even on your laptop. So that's it everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.